Hello everyone, and welcome to our tutorial on how to rank number 1 with Frase AI. Frase is an innovative AI content writing tool that has gained popularity for its advanced features in content creation and SEO optimization. The link to Frase is in the description. Start by clicking Get Started and creating an account. Fill in your email, full name, and password. Verify your email and answer a quick survey about your company. Now purchase a subscription according to your needs and budget. In the Phrase Studio, click on New Document. In the workflow, choose Create New Content. In the Target Search Query box, write the topic that you want content generated on. Select country and language and proceed. Phrase will now import data from top-ranked sites similar to your topic and generate recommendations accordingly. You can view these in the Overview side panel. Near it are headlines for header recommendations, questions for most asked questions related to your query, stats, news, and many others. Click on Write at the bottom of the page to make Phrase generate content. Now click on Write More to generate more content. In the Outline section, you can create a brief of the content. Hit Paste to paste it into your document. The Optimize section details the optimization of the content. You need to have at least 30 to 40% in the optimization bar to rank high. Now in the Link section, you can access links related to your content. You can export your document in your preferred format and save it on your device. Follow these steps to rank number 1. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again.